Hello, and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. And today, I'm excited to bring you the Foleto Turntable Display Stand 360-degree motorized rotating display stand for photography products and shows. Let's take a look at it. Why I am choosing to do a lot of these little unboxings is because these are Amazon products that are pretty cheap and are pretty accessible. I got this for only 20 bucks on Amazon, and I just want to take a look and see what kind of product is it, because very often these are bought by people that have absolutely no experience in the field or have no experience in the kind of product they're buying. Case in point, I have never had a rotating turntable stand for displays, okay? So let's go ahead and see what we get, and can bear this in mind. We paid 20 bucks for this. Okay, so we got a type A to micro USB cable. It is actually quite thick. Okay, and that's it. We got our actual turntable in here with a reflective cover / sticker. We got no paperwork. Yep, no type of paperwork at all. We do have a slot for an 18650 battery, I believe. That's the type of battery that goes into vapes and into Teslas. And then we do have a triple A slot to put some batteries in there. Before we plug it in, I just want to take a moment to note that it does have a micro USB input with an RL, SR, and ASA buttons. I'm not sure what those are. You know what I find odd? That the turntable itself is white, but they included a black cable to go along with it. And in their defense, this black cable is a little bit longer than the one I have on hand, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the cable that they provided. Again, it's just a little bit longer. It looks like it's about 4 feet instead of the 3-foot one that I have here, which again comes in handy. Let's go ahead and plug it in so you can see that I'm having a hard time plugging it in. Okay, so it lights up green when it's plugged in. You know what sucks? This thing does not have an off switch. There's no way to turn it off. No matter how many times you tap it, it will not turn off. So that kind of sucks, I guess. You have to unplug it in order for you to be able to turn it off. So that sucks. I guess that's a minus point in its score. So I guess it does come with this reflective pad that you can put on it. Let's go ahead and install it. Okay. And then I'm gonna guess this reflective pad also has a sticker on it that you can remove. We're gonna leave that on there, and we're gonna go ahead and put our little acrylic sand that we got, and we're gonna go ahead and put our phone on it. Okay, and we're gonna plug it in. Come on. Ooh, yeah. See, that's what I was afraid of on the flipping acrylic stand. That the moment you tilt it in the slightest bit, that it was gonna break. And we're gonna go ahead and tap. And that's that. It's actually, it's not bad. It's gonna get the job done of rotating the device or whatever I am showing smoothly without me having to go around it very shakily with my shaky hands. I do realize I also need to get a stabilizing gimbal, but this is gonna do a very good job of just displaying the phone and rotating it, you know, at a very, very nice and smooth rate. Again, not just in that direction. You tap the RL button, it'll spin it in that other direction. Go ahead and let me down in the comments. What are your thoughts on our rotating turntable stand? Would you get something like this? Would you save your money? I think it was actually pretty good, because again, it's going to be able to rotate the phone and be able to display it while I take pictures and video of it. Make sure you don't miss out on our Jingle Bells parody, Budget Phones. Click up here to watch it. I promise you will laugh. Comment and subscribe so you also don't miss out on our 1,000 subscriber giveaway, where we're going to be giving out another Acrylic Sand tablet just like we did for our 750 subscriber special. And as always, thanks for watching.